guys, welcome to the YouTube channel of Study Abroad Solution powered by Brigu Global Visa Consultancy. I'm Zara Anwar and I'm here to discuss few questions and queries students want me to discuss for the plans of studying abroad in the year 2020. So the topic today we are going to discuss is about the Duolingo test. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first question is, what is Duolingo? Duolingo is a language learning application and it started in the year 2011 and currently it is having a business of more than $700+ million and more than 300+ million users. So it is one of the most leading premium language learning application for both Android and iOS. So now what is Duolingo English Test? Okay, so Duolingo English Test is a computer based proficiency English test and it tests the 4 basic skills of English language, that is reading, writing, speaking and listening. So how can we take the Duolingo English test? Okay, so the Duolingo English test can be taken at home without any appointment. Then the duration of the test is 45 minutes to 1 hour depending upon the proficiency of the candidate. The test also integrates a video interview with the writing sample that is sent to the institution along with the proficiency score. And lastly, I would just say that it is very cost effective as it costs only $49 and the results is obtained very fast, like within 48 hours. So the most important question, what are the requirements for this test? So the requirement is that for the computer it should be that functioning microphone, speakers and the webcam should be available. Then download the latest version of Google Chrome or Opera browser. Thirdly, the recommended internet speed for the download should be 2 Mbps and for the upload should be 1 Mbps. And the last, the student or the candidate should carry their passport during the test because they would have to take the photo of the passport at the beginning of the test. So these are the requirements that are the basic ones. Okay, so the next topic we'll discuss about the test rules. So it is just like any other online test. The first rule is the candidate should not wear headphones or earphones. Second, they should not carry pen as note taking is not allowed. So there is no use of the pen. Okay. So the third thing, the candidates ears must be visible throughout the test. Fourth, the candidates must not look away from the screen or talk to anyone during the test. Okay. And the fourth, the candidates. Now talking about the scoring, the more higher you score, the more higher your English proficiency is, and it is on a scale of 10 to 160, and the most of the universities generally accept more than 120. Okay, so coming to the last part, that is about the FAQs. The students have been pondering me to answer few of the questions, so let it be here. So I'll be seeing the questions through my mobile and I'll be answering it accordingly. So let's start with the FAQs. The first question that we have is, what is the test URL? The test URL is englishtest.duolingo.com, and do not worry, sit tight, I'll be mentioning at the end of the video again. So do not worry about it. The second question is, can I have a practice test? Okay. Yes, you can take the practice test by registering on the website that I have mentioned above, and the number of times you want to take as a practice, you can take. Then third is, when can I take the test after creating an account? Okay, so here you can take the test after purchasing it within 90 days. Okay, so once you have purchased it, now you can take the number of times or the number of times you want to practice within 90 days, you can have it. Okay. So the next question that I have is, can I retake the test? Yes, the test can be retaken the number of times you want, but it cannot be more than 2 times in 30 days window. Okay, so be clear with this. So how much do I need to pay for reporting my score? Score reporting is free. You can send your score report to any institute or university that you want to study or apply for. Okay, so the next is a very good question. What if I face network issues and can't complete the test? Okay, here the system will try to resubmit again and again for 5 times. If still it is not able due to the network issues, the candidate will be given a chance for the retest. So coming to the last question of the FAQ, that is, how much do I need to pay for the retest? Okay, so if you could not complete the test because of the network issues, the retest is free of cost. Okay, they wouldn't be charging you for the retest as it was because of the network issues. So coming to the conclusion, I would just like the students who are having any doubts or queries about this Duolingo English test, you can mail us and contact us with the contact detail I'll be mentioning at the end of the video. And I think this is the best opportunity for the students who haven't given their IELTS and now they are not able to apply for the universities that they wanted to for the next intakes. So yes, you can give this test and then apply to the universities that you have been dreaming of. And we, the team at Study Abroad Solution powered by Brigu Global Visa Consultancy, are making it sure that the students do not receive any future problems in applying to the universities or any of the things. So guys, if you have any doubts, any queries, feel free to ask. We are there to answer you. And I would just like to end. Stay safe, stay happy and be positive. Okay, have a nice day.